notice. And this is a typical copyright. We continue with mathematics syllabus for CSEC 2018 to 2027. Schedule of videos. By now, you know that section 1, all 33 videos have been published on YouTube. From section 2, all 12 videos, and from section 3, all 6 of those have been published on YouTube. So I am encouraging you to make good use of those 51 videos from sections 1, 2, and 3. Now section 4, measurement. This is the 7th of 16 videos, and I'm somewhat behind schedule. Hopefully by the end of January 2025, statistics and so on, algebra, then functions, relations, and graphs, geometry, and then finally vectors and matrices by May 2025. Please note this disclaimer. The schedule is just a projection and may or may not be fulfilled. It is not a contract with anybody. As I said, section 1, I have divided in 33 videos. And this section forms the foundation on which the rest of the syllabus is based. Please make sure you look at these 33 videos and know them well, because parts of these are used in the rest of the syllabus. Also, a reminder that you need to know the times tables 2 to 12. If you don't already know them, you would have to learn them, especially since calculators are not allowed in paper 1. And these 12 videos from section 2, all published. These 6 from section 3, all published. Right now, we are on section 4, measurement. Video 1 in this section and video 4 have been published in their entirety. Videos 2, 3, 5, and 6 are only published partially. We are now here at objective 5, estimate area of plane shapes. This is video 7 in this section. And this video will only be partially published on YouTube. Estimate the area of plane shapes, and you are not to use any formulae for area. You are to estimate it. Now, before we go on, recall I said in the introductory video that you will need a good math textbook or a set of 2 to get more practice questions and maybe to explain some things that you don't quite understand from these videos. CXC recommends the following list shown at right, this list here. From that list, what I would recommend is a very good 2-volume set of math textbook that is more than adequate to cover the requirement of CSEC math exam. And this is volume 1, Mathematics, a complete course with CXC questions by Raymond Tulsi, volume 1, and this is volume 2. Disclaimer: I get no financial or other benefits from the sale of these books. Also, very recently, late last year, today is January 16th, 2025. So I think late last year, a website with AI interactivity has been made available free of cost that deals with past CSEC mathematics questions only. You can navigate by topics or years, where all questions for the previous several years have been worked out for you. And if you still have a question that you need explained or part of one of those questions, you can ask the AI assistant either by text or typing it in or voice, and most likely that will be explained to you. The URL is given here. I will list that URL in the description below. RSC homepage is shown on the next slide. So as I said, that's the URL. That URL will be in the description below. So all you have to do is click on it. And this is the homepage for this website. This website, the homepage. So now, back to the objective. This is the print screen. We have covered all 4 objectives so far in this section. And then we are now here at objective 5. We will still have 4 more objectives to do on this page, followed by 6 more on that page, to make a total of 15 objectives in this section. So as I said, we are here. It says, estimate the area of plane shapes. And as explanatory notes, it says, find the area of plane shapes without using formulae. So that is what we will be doing. Estimate the area of plane shapes without the use of a formula to find those areas. So consider the rectangle shown at right, this rectangle here. Estimate its area. Now that doesn't mean to guess it. We will need a transparent grid that has small squares of specific unit size, example 1 square meter. These can be obtained at any bookstore. It's transparent, like a hard plastic with these lines going across and down. So you can rest it on a picture and you could see through it. It actually says area measuring grid in centimeters. So you will need one of that. As I said, these are transparent grids that are available at bookstores. For this class, or this video, I will be using a PNG grid. That is the electronic equivalent of this transparent grid, physical transparent grid over here. So let's go back to that shape. We want to estimate this area of this shape. As I said, we will need this transparent grid like this. We will take the grid and line it up with one end of that rectangle. This is example 1. Like that, we're lining it up from this end. We could have done it from this other end here as well. Doesn't really matter. Now what we will do, we will count all complete squares. All complete squares. Now if you go across here, you have 11. And if you come down, there are 14. So when you multiply those two, you get 154 complete squares. Now remember, that's not the area formula. That's not a formula for finding area. We are just adding up the total number of complete grids. And then we will estimate the partial square and add them up. If you look at these partial square on the left here, it's approximately half. And there are 14 of them. So half times 14, we get 7. If we add those two, we will get 161 square centimeters. Notice we did not use a formula to calculate the area. We have estimated the area. If you find this video useful and interesting, please like and share. Like and share. You may also consider subscribing to this channel. Example 2. Consider the rectangle shown at right, this rectangle. Estimate its area. So we need that transparent grid. We place it on this edge here. So 2 sides are lined up. Then we count all complete squares. there are 7 going down and 11 going across up to here. So we multiply 11 by 7, we get 77.